then you enter the next bead on your left. Then you take the bead, you put one thread inside, then you cross with the other thread. So that is it. That's how I'm going to join the two sides together. So I'll do it all the way down to the end, the other end of it. So I'll come back and show you our finished work. So this is how it's looking like. Okay, this is how it's looking like, and when we finish, it's going to look like something like this. Okay, it's going to look like something like this. So I'll just weave all the way to this side and I'll get back to you. So now, as you can see, this is our last bead. Then we are done with our bag, or we are done joining the bag. And yes, that is the end of these tutorials. Yes, so this is our last bead. And voila, our bag is ready. Okay, this bag is very pretty. Like, it's very big and very nice. As you can see, this is very cute bag. So you just go ahead and bring the two threads together and tie a knot. Very strong. Then you are done with this bag. And thank you very much for purchasing this tutorial. I hope you understand everything and you will be able to make your own bag and send me pictures when you are done. I'll be glad to see your work. Yes, so yeah, this is it. So I'll bring this side, this thread also to meet the other one. So as you can see, I don't go straight to enter. I enter this, then I'll enter this, then I'll enter this, then I'll enter this. I don't enter straight. If not, the thread will be crossing the spaces between them and it will not look nice. So yeah, that is one trick for you. Yeah, so the edges are together and I'll just tie a very strong knot. I'll just make a very strong knot, and then our bag is ready for sale or for use. You can just cut the thread off, and yeah, thank you very much for purchasing this tutorial. I hope to see your work soon, and if anything, don't hesitate to call me and I'll be available for you. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.